My name is Cecilia. I am a blogger from Copenhagen, Denmark, and my blog is called Copenhagen Cakes. I started blogging many years ago when I was studying at the University of Copenhagen. I blogged as a hobby. I blogged about food and cakes because I've always been baking. I've been baking as long as I can remember. Baking was my happy thing. I want everyone to experience the calmness and the quietness and the relaxation you can get when you bake, and you see that something that's actually very easy can look super complicated and taste amazing. I go to cake baking supply stores like other people go to candy stores, so I love buying cake supplies. And many years ago, when I was out shopping in a store in Copenhagen, I came across these silicone molds that were in all kinds of different shapes. And I immediately thought that I had to have some and try to bake something fun with that. That was my first encounter with Silikomart, and mostly on a daily basis I've been using the molds ever since. So when Silikomart approached me asking if I wanted to do a collaboration on this new Kit Pop éclair mold, I was so excited because this mold embodies my whole philosophy in just one product. You can make the most beautiful, the most tasty and amazing éclairs easy. Good luck trying out this new mold. I know you can make amazing éclairs. Ha' det godt. Ciao, ciao!